receive seems flimsy, like it's not bolted down. You can set it here on 0 cups, and then you can also move it up almost to 2 cups, and the dial, you can tell from feeling of it, never turns. It's just very wobbly. Seems kind of arbitrary as to how many cups you're actually setting. Could be 7, could be 6, maybe less.
Okay, so things that are good for people with disabilities. This lifts off really easily. If you can't pinch, which I couldn't for a long time, you can easily push it up from the edge just by sliding your hand up. You can even use your whole hand. This is so easy to push. You don't have, it's super smooth, and you don't have to pinch it, because I don't have any strength if I pinch that small. And so that's super helpful. This button, you just push, and you push again. You can push it with almost anything. So if you're using a any sort of assistive device, you can push it. This turns to choose, and it turns super smoothly and easily. It's large, and you can grip it with basically any assistive device that you use for gripping things. It's not stiff. It's got little bumps on it, and so anything with the rubber on the inside will work, or if you can do pincher grips this size, then you can do it yourself. And then getting this thing out, it took me a minute to figure out. You have to hook behind here, and I can't do it with one hand at all, but that's how I get it out, is with 2 hands. And I just pop it out, and it slides out. So hang on here, let me, 2 hands, there we go. It just pops out, and then this lid is really easy to pick up. And again, you can do it by sliding your hand up the side if you need to. So all in all, really good for people with disabilities.